In the last 14 days, I made about $3,500 in affiliate commissions. I didn't get all of it up front. Some of it I did. I also didn't run ads. What surprised me the most is that I didn't need complicated funnels or some weird email sequence. Rather, it is this strategy that allowed me to close 2 individuals to bring me these huge commissions very quickly, and you can do the same. Check it out. This is not passive income in one day. It becomes passive because the work is done, and it is only to the people that raise their hands for your service. With this simple system, you're going to be able to do the exact same thing so that you can close those high-ticket affiliate commissions just like I did. Instead of focusing on trying to automate everything, I instead focus on only the things that work, the converting part of the process. If someone opts in and they find you through your funnels, you get them into what I call conversations. That could be DMs, that could be messages, sliding into the DMs, whatever you want to call it. The intent is to get them off of the platform that they originally saw you on to have a personal interaction with that individual. That is where the money is. Listen, I'm not saying none of the other stuff does not work. Email is fine. YouTube videos like we're doing right now is fine. But when you purchase something from somebody, especially in affiliate marketing, if somebody purchases a pair of shoes that you recommend, they purchase it because of you, not because the product is great. You recommended something for them, so it's almost like you helped them out and they feel great about that. In order to say thank you, they purchased from you. This is why I recommend DMs. They're fast, they're direct, and they're personal. Out of all the people that I've pitched or that saw my content, I didn't give them this long-winded pitch. I didn't have to convince them as to why they needed something versus why they did. I asked them a few simple questions to see where they're at. I seeded what they needed. I understood where they were at. And according to what they gave me, I provided them the solution. This is why people who I work with, the coaches, consultants, whomever, make the most money, because they do it here in private conversations, aka DMs. You feel uncomfortable talking? That's why I created a one-sheeter. A one-sheeter is pertinent information, important information provided on one sheet about the product that you're selling. For those programs that are more expensive, they're more like 3 to 5 pages explaining the product. I send that over so that the person who is serious about purchasing a product can read it and educate themselves on the material and make an educated decision themselves. I don't have to do the talking. They're simply going to tell me whether this sounds good to them or not. If they got questions about the packet that I send them, I'm here to answer. This works way better than just having somebody send emails and pray and hope that they do something with my YouTube videos or my YouTube short videos. This takes them from just a viewer of content to being a hot buyer. In this case, 2 of those conversations turned into sales that same week, all because I took action. That's 100% conversion rate. But listen, I'm not a professional closer, but it is because the system qualifies people I was able to close them on what they already wanted. I've warmed them up. They already watched my content. They opted in. The DM just simply finished the process. You don't have to worry about if anybody responds back to you or anything, because if they don't, that just means they're not a good fit for your opportunity. Take the pressure off of yourself. Listen, I love passive income. I love to create a piece of content one time and then it makes money for me on a consistent basis in my sleep. I make the content one time, traffic keeps on being sent over to my landing pages. And while I'm out walking or playing basketball or working out, doing kickboxing, whatever the case may be, I am getting DMs. Now, I don't respond to them right away. However, whether it is an hour or 2 later, I have notifications to where I can respond to that individual because they want to hear from me personally. This is a leveraged system on the time that I want to do it. What job do you know is allowing you to make $3,500 in 14 days within a matter of a few conversations? I probably spent no more than 3 hours actually closing these individuals. Most people are going to talk about how you need funnels, how you need software, how you need to do all of these fancy tricks. In reality, you just need clarity in a simple process. Your client only needs clarity in a simple process. Your customer, whatever you want to call it. That's it. So now, if you want to learn the framework that I'm using in my business to turn content into a landing page and into conversations or DMs, I have a link below. No hype. You'll be working with me. This is what's working for me right now. The link is to my affiliate marketing video course. It's something that I just created in order to help people go from $0 to $10,000 in their first 90 days. This goes over my system on how I'm using it in my business. And then if you got questions along the way, if you want to fine tune the process, I'm here for you. But it's only for the first 10 buyers. I originally designed it so that you can go through it by yourself without my help. But for the first 10 people, I'll also step in and help you out. But you got to get it right now while the price is discounted as well. This is a proven and trusted process for me. This is how I closed a lot of my clients. You can go out there and do the same thing. Now, if you really want to automate this whole process and you want to do things in minutes, in the amount of time that took me hours to do or days, I need you to go check out this video right here, because this is going to explain more so that you can do things a lot quicker. That way, there's no procrastination and you can start making money faster. If you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're 10,000 strong. I'll see you guys. See you in the next video.